Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Finally I arrived at Barcelona beach. It looks really amazing. It's so beautiful. Wow, I wish to swim right now, but it's really cold. I cannot swim. However, it is really amazing. It's beautiful. Look at it's quite long beach. Oh, it's starting from very far away and it's coming to the very long back. Yeah, it's very far and it's really awesome. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Yo, let me show you around. Alright guys, keep watching, let me show you around. It is beautiful. Wow, it's quite huge, it's quite far. Keep walking, it's quite long beach. And it's clean, crystal, the water is really clean. So beautiful. Oh, amazing. Yo. Come on guys, beach lovers, hit the subscribe button, like, share and follow on Instagram to see more beautiful videos like this. Don't forget, okay, be part of my YouTube family. Look at this beautiful beach. Wow, it's amazing. So lovely. It's awesome. Sunset view also nice from here. And there's a shower. Somebody hit the shower to disturb for the people sitting down there. But it's okay. It's funny, man. Oh, it's beautiful.
Pero a él le gusta hacer fotos, porque no, por ejemplo, no le gusta.
A ver, él no, normalmente no, pero las maestras le pillan a los niños como de lejos. No puedes pillar cerca a lo mejor.
Okay guys, keep watching, see you next video, goodbye.